Hey there, ice cream lovers! This is Duygu here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're making something creamy, crunchy, and seriously addictive. Homemade toffee bit ice cream. It's hands down the easiest ice cream recipe I've ever made. But honestly, it might just be the best. Here's what we need. Heavy cream, whole milk, sugar, vanilla extract, and the real MVP, toffee bits. Just a few simple ingredients and no complicated steps. First things first, let's whisk together our milk and sugar until the sugar dissolves completely. No grainy ice cream here, smooth and creamy is the goal. Stir in the heavy cream and add a splash of vanilla for that classic ice cream flavor. Now comes the magic. We pour this into our ice cream maker and let it churn for about 20 minutes. No custards, no tempering, just a simple mix. And the machine does all the work. And right at the end, the grand finale. In the last 2 minutes, we sprinkle in these crunchy, caramelized beauties, toffee bits. They add the perfect buttery candy crunch to every spoonful. This is actually an old-time favorite rediscovered. This is one of those recipes I used to make all the time that I totally forgot about for years. I recently remembered it, I gave it another go, and now I can't stop making it again. It's that good. And there you have it. Smooth, sweet, and filled with pockets of crunchy caramel perfection. No fancy techniques, yet somehow this is the best ice cream I've made so far. Give it a try and let me know in the comments what you think. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.